Hey, Crypto Miner CHR here. We're about to go check out Kaboomracks. Alright, let's dive right in. Here we go. Got the cleaning area. Old warehouse. Oh. Here we come over to the consolidation area. Also age testing area. Oh yeah, that's nice. Let's go. Here's where all the fun happens. Oh, what do we got? Ooh. That's where all the repairs go down. Yeah, buddy. We got the good stuff going on here. Oh yeah. What we got over here?
We got zero Asic crater.
Alright.
Valve regulated lead acid battery.
What we got over here, Richard?
Some art testing.
Alright.
Check out some S17 boards.
Pros or regulars?
These are S17 Pros, good sir.
I didn't see that.
See what we got.
Woo! Alright! We love to see that.
Gong.
Oh, here we go. Gong time.
I feel it. Huh? Perfect. I feel it. This is.
Yeah.